What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. And now with that said, let's dive into today's video. Nothing beats a trail ride with the boys. Fresh air, good vibes, everybody having a blast. But there's always that one friend who doesn't know what a speed limit is. And on a trail, that is a dangerous combination. Watch what happens, because this one goes from a perfect day out to an oh no moment fast.
Oh crap. Squirrely. You're making it work though, it's freaking rush. Keep going, buddy, keep going. This is straight ahead. Oh shit! Oh crap, Jake's down bad. Hold on, Jake. You okay? Talk to me. Okay, just don't move, don't move, don't move. Just relax. Relax.
What?
Relax.
I'm good, I'm good.
Hold on, just breathe.
I'm good.
Crosswalks are supposed to be the safest place to cross, but try telling that to this truck driver. This biker watches in disbelief as a kid nearly gets hit right in front of him. But here's where it gets real. The very next clip shows us that danger doesn't discriminate, because now it's the biker who comes within inches of hitting a child.
What the fuck you doing?
That bitch had a cold ass bike. Come on, cuz, are you fucking fucking serious? Are you fucking serious right now, cuz? You can't see? No, obviously you didn't, you didn't.
Just finished riding, not a care in the world, and then boom! Officer pulls up, stolen bike accusation, handcuffs, back of the police car. But wait, 4 mixed up VIN numbers later, and this man is walking free in under 5 minutes, only in America.
Why, hello there. Hi.
Take that for a sec, okay?
What do you want? What's up?
Whose motorcycle is that?
Mine?
Yours?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
Spencer.
Spencer?
Yes.
You have any driver's license on you?
I can give you my social. I just have my phone on me.
Okay. Are you from around here?
Yeah.
Where do you live? At any point was there an issue with the motorcycle at any time?
I mean, the battery died earlier.
No, I mean like legal wise. Anybody at any time did you gotten stopped or anything like that for it?
Last year I had no muffler on it, so I got stopped.
No muffler? Okay, other than that you haven't reported anything with it or anything like that?
Correct, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take your who's the owner?
It's in my dad's name, the title, but it's...
What's his name?
Eric.
Eric. Okay. What's your social? First and last name?
Spencer Hunter.
What?
Spencer Hunter.
Date of birth for you?
What's that?
Date of birth for you?
September 20th, 2002.
And then what's a good phone number for you?
Did you get calls or something?
There's just an issue with the plate right now. Okay.
Is it?
Does your dad know you have it?
Yeah.
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 And you're the one that drives it regularly, or are you just borrowing it, or?
No, it's my everyday bike. He never rides it.
Okay. When'd you get it?
I was like 17 at the time when I got it, so that's why it was in his name.
Gotcha. Okay. Alrighty.
Just a little confused right now.
Oh, well, I'll explain everything in just a moment, okay?
Okay.
I'm just verifying some things. I obviously gotta get back up, and then I'll explain some things, okay?
Is my tag expired?
Nope.
Oh.
No.
Well, interesting. I don't know then. I was just trying to listen to some Elvis.
Elvis?
Yeah.
What song?
Littlest Conversation.
Okay.
A little more action.
There you go. Who lives here?
Just my buddy. His name's Paul.
Paul?
Yeah.
Gotcha. You just coming to hang out, or what?
That's about right, yeah.
Do you think the registration is going to be in the vehicle?
What's that?
You think the registration is going to be in the vehicle? The motorcycle?
I can check.
Well, let's wait 1 sec, okay?
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Would you mind just putting your helmet on for a moment?
Oh, yeah.
You can just put, no, you can put it down.
Oh, down here, okay.
Alright, and then just for right now, just go ahead and push me again. Just go ahead. Okay, I'll explain everything in a
Sure,
second.
yeah.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button Hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop. And if you want to rep the moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.